Hello everyone, my name is Neha Guru from Fusion Software Institute, and in this video I'm going to talk about some key features of React. Let's start. So the first feature of React is component-based architecture. So React encourages the breaking down of UI into small, independent and reusable components. This makes code more modular, manageable and testable. Second feature of React is, React utilizes a virtual DOM, which is an in-memory representation of the actual DOM. When data changes, React first updates the virtual DOM, then efficiently calculates the differences with the real DOM and applies only the essential updates, therefore minimizing direct DOM manipulation and improving performance. This makes rendering faster and more efficient. Now the third feature of React is declarative UI. React enables developers to describe what the UI should look like for a given state, and it handles the rendering efficiently. This makes code more predictable and easier to debug. So the fourth feature of React is JSX, JavaScript XML. Is a syntax extension that allows mixing HTML-like code with JavaScript. This improves readability and simplifies coding UI. So the fifth feature of React is unidirectional data flow. React ensures unidirectional data flow, meaning data flows in a single direction, typically from parent components to child components via props. This predictable data flow simplifies debugging and state management as changes propagate in a controlled manner. The sixth feature of React is hooks. Hooks were introduced in React 16.8. Hooks are functions that enables the use of state and other React features within functional components, eliminating the need for class components in many scenarios and promoting cleaner and more concise code. Okay, so the seventh and last feature of React is mobile app development. So React principles extend to mobile app development through React Native, which enables developers to build native iOS and Android applications using a similar component-based approach and JavaScript. So these are the some main features of React that I have discussed in this video, but there are some many more features of React that we will discuss in my next video. So the conclusion is React is not just a library, it's a powerful tool that helps build modern, efficient and scalable web apps. Its component-based architecture and fast rendering makes it a favorite among developers and companies worldwide. Okay, so that's it for the today's video. Happy learning.